To order.
Friends, we would like to announce the results of the photo exhibition. The PST RCHZC evaluation, parrot and banner presentation, one after another. The photo exhibition was participated by 15 clubs, namely Imphal Lemrol, Jorhat, Dimapur Blue Venda, Imphal, Dimapur Jafu, Dimapur, Imphal City, Jorhat Greater, Moirang, Kanchipur, Imphal East, Tinsukia, Digboy, Vandedua, and Nagong. The report of the photo exhibition committee, headed by Praveen Agrawal, past district governor, and the convener Arun Thongam. They have submitted a report to us, and it is reported that the Lions Club of Imphal Lemrol got the highest total mark of 198. So they stood first, and the second club is Jorhat, securing 196. The third is again Dimapur Blue Venda, securing 185. These awards for whatever competitions we have in this conference, this will be awarded in the district award ceremony. And such awardees' names or the club will be published in the next issue of the Eastern Lion. Thank you. Friends, we have the award winner's name for the public speaking contest. The winners are Jishnu Barua from Jorhat. He is the first vice president. The second winner is Mahendra Pratap Singh of the Lions Club of Imphal City. He is at present the region chairperson. And the third winner is Swami Kanta Singh of the Lions Club of Imphal. The winners, they will be forwarded to the multiple level and they will take part in the speaking contest at the multiple level, which is going to be held at Durgapur, along with the MD convention going to take place next month, April. Friends, now let us come to the principal office bearers of the club, the president. The president, the best president of the district is none other than Lion K.H. Suniti Devi of the Lions Club of Imphal Lemerol. Second winner is from Nagong Greta, Akash Khadaria. And the third is from Dimapur, Ankit Jain. Actually, Ankit Jain and Akash Khadria, they are joint winner of joint second winner. And the third one is Dilip Kumar Pargri from Jorhat. All these four will be moving forward to the multiple level to participate in the contest amongst the president of other 12 districts of the multiple. So please be ready to participate in that competition. Secretary. The best secretary of the district goes to Sukham Joybi Singh of Imphal Central. And another secretary is Sanahan B. Sanayan B, sorry, from the Lions Club of Imphal Lemerol. And the third is from Imphal East, Raju Mandingbam. All the three will move to the multiple level competition. Treasurer goes to again to the Lions Club of Imphal Central. Nongthombam Anand Kumar.
Anand, yes, good one. Wrong, good one, good.
I don't know. The second best treasurer again goes to Lemerol. M. Sarolata Devi. And the third treasurer goes to Nagong Greta, Kumar Kushum Sethia. I don't know what Lemerol is going to do. Again, the best region chairman is Lemerol. Sanatombi Laurembam. Second best region chairman of the district, Lion Mahendra Pratap from the Lions Club of Imphal City. The third goes to Nagong Greta, Gopal Kumar Pada.
Very good.
Friends, Zone Chairperson,
Infagator.
Imphal East, Jayanta Kumar Sama. And again, can you guess anyone? Yes, it is Lemerol, Bijaya Motum. And the third goes to Upendra Sharma from Lions Club Imphal Greater. So this is all about the club leaders, president, secretary, treasurer, and the region chairperson and zone chairpersons. who will all move to the next competition level to be held at Durgapur next month. So please prepare yourself to be a participant in that, and you see, try to win the awards. So these are all about the competitions held so far in the district yesterday. And for today's result, we have the two results handed over to me. The Lions Club members participated in the banner presentation, as well as the parade. The committee of the parade committee have handed over to me the results. Then the banner presentation committee have also forwarded to us the results. For the parade committee, in the A category, the Lions Club of Imphal is the winner, and Imphal Greater is the second winner. Under the B category, because as per the membership strength in the district, clubs who is having membership strength above 80, they are categorized as A category. Then 60 to 79 is under B category. Then 40 to 60, they are categorized for C. And then D category is 20 and above, but below 40. So these are, one more thing I don't know, the committee should have also recommended some best club for the new clubs. I have not seen this, so kindly look into it so that we can make some announcement from the newly chartered clubs, because we have 7 new charter clubs during this Lion District year, and we can still call new until unless they have completed 1 year. So when we categorize in the score sheet, new clubs, if there is any, you can still go for the names and recommend to the district organizing committee so that we can make the announcement. So I was about to announce the B category clubs. Lions Club of Dimapur. Then the Lions Club of Golaghat. Under the C category, it is Lions Club of Imphal Valley. And the second best is the Lions Club of Imphal East. Under the D category, it is Lions Club of Ningthokong. And the second best is Lions Club of Imphal Chanura. Yeah. Oh, okay. Good. So I was about to announce about the banner presentation. You see, there must be some award like kya hai bolta hai? Champion something. When altogether they win all the clubs, some more 3 or 4 awards, then we call it overall champion. I don't know, till now I have made such an announcement. And now again banner. First, the banner presentation goes to Imphal Leimerol. So maybe, I will have to consider again to make some other announcement in a later part, whether can we, make such announcement, because they have won so many first. So the next second best club is Dimapur. Actually, they are co-winners. They are joint winners with Leimerol. They got the same number, 158 marks. So Imphal, Leimerol and Dimapur, they are joint winner for the banner presentation. The third club who wants the second prize is Nogong, the Lions Club of Nogong. Then the fourth goes to the Lions Club of Imphal. So this is about the banner presentation, the parade held today. We have still a winner to be announced for the winner selfie contest. There was a contest, winner selfie booth there, and they have forwarded the photographs, taken in the selfie booth, and we have found that the photographs forwarded by the Lion member who have taken part in the selfie contest is none other than Nita Agrawal of Blue Venda. And the second award goes to Sanjita Ningol Collective. These are all results which comes to me, and this is all about. We'll be waiting for the results of the election. Till then, I think we can start distributing the awards which we have made for the Lion members who have extended support in organizing this district conference. So we will be inviting each one. Please come on stage and collect the awards, beautiful awards we have prepared from the hands of the district governor and myself.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our district governor to kindly present the district governor medals and also announce. Okay.
Mating among pang tasat pa special.
For outstanding support to the DG, this is presented to Ashok Lion Lakpam, Co-Chairperson, Souvenir Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Greater. Next, please be ready, Ashok Konjingbam. Next, after Ashok Lion Lakpam. Sure. This is outstanding support for Chairperson. To whom? Gopal Das, Member Election Committee, Lions Club of Dig Boy, for outstanding support. Lion L. Upendra Sarma, Co-Chairperson, Cultural Program Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Greater. Next, Mihir Kumar, be ready. KH Mihir Kumar, Member Marketing and Communication Committee, Global. Gopal Das. Mihir Kumar, come in. Yes, it's fine. KH Ibomcha Singh, Surgeon at Arms, Lions Club of Ningtao Khong. Next is Ma'am Lion Lalita R. Kadria, Chairperson for Necrology Committee.
Okay. Check. Please ready for N. Birenda, C.S. Ratan Kishore, Memyo Ningombi, Dr. P. Brazamani, Dr. James Ilangbam, and Satyabati Burga.
Next is Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, Co-Chairperson Medical Committee, Lions Club from Imphal City.
Please ready T.S. Gorobidu or Dhanabir Singh, C. Randodi.
For
And please ready,
Necrology Committee.
yeah, please ready Thongam Arun, Konika Khuraijam,
R.K. Kumar.
and Y. Modhu Singh. Please.
Next, please be ready, Lakshmi Roy. Lakshmi Roy of Ningol Collective.
Ratan Kishore, Memyon Ngombi, Rajamani, James Langbam, Ado Dupiro.
T.H. Gorbidu. Lakshmi Roy.
Lakshmi Roy, there?
Lakshmi Roy.
Okay.
Yeah, Lakshmi is. Member, Necrology Committee,
Okay.
Lakshmi Roy for Lions Club of Ningol Collective.
And next, I request my sister, Lion Memalini Basaspati Mayum. Please.
Master of Ceremony, Lions Club of Infal Laimerol, Memalini.
Before we have Lion Konika Khuraijam, please.
Lion Konika Horizon, Member, Necrology Committee. Memalini tu kayo.
The one and only, the foundation, the skeleton of District 322D. Big round of applause for Thongam Arun.
Next, Memalini, Master of Ceremony, Lions Club of Infal Laimerol.
We have from the Kanchipur, N. Birendra sir. Are you here, sir? N. Birendra. Okay.
Co-chairperson, Election Committee, Lions Club of Kanchipur, N. Birendra Singh.
And next we have from Moirang, Sir Y. Modhu sir. Are you here, sir? Modhu. Sir Modhu. Sir Modhu, please, on the stage.
Next, G. Landoni Devi, co-chairperson, Cultural Program Committee. G. Randoni.
Sir Modhu, sir.
I like to lie.
Sir Modhu, Bibiro.
Next, Dr. Sarangtim Indira, Master of Ceremony, Lions Club of Infal Global.
And please, my respected sister Dana Thokchom, please be on stage for the outstanding support to the ICON
Presented to
2025.
Dr. James Ilangmam for excellence.
Okay.
G. Landoni, co-chairperson, Cultural Program. Lions Club of Kanchipur.
Lion Memuni Ngombi,
Diana Thokchom, co-chairperson, Necrology Committee, Lions Club of Infal Laimerol. Asok Lainen Lakpam, co-chairperson, Souvenir Committee, Infal Greater. Please.
Next.
may I please invite on stage Lion M. Lokendra Singh, the chairperson, reception and accommodation, doing a very beautiful service, sir. You have started working from the day one, sir. And every delegates coming from the outside the Manipur are very pleased to have you as a chairperson of the reception and accommodation, sir. Thank you so much, sir. The Thongam Bishwanath, the Secretary of Imphal City. Okay. Ashok Lairapam, the co-chairperson of the Souvenir Committee.
K.H. Krishnan Singh, chairperson, Souvenir Committee. K.H. Krishnan Singh, coming over.
After Lion Krishnan Singh, I will invite L. Ibom Singh, the convener of the Reception, Accommodation and Transport Committee, L. Ibomsa Singh.
Next will be Lion T.H. Mahendra Pratap Singh. Introducer, Conference Chief Guest, Lions Club of Imphal City, for outstanding support.
He has also completed more than 5 courses in RLL, this Lions Learning Center. You have completed more than 5 modules.
Can we have the Sitol Letanthem, the convener of the Cultural Program Committee?
Sitol Laitanthem,
Sitol Letanthem, please be on stage.
and our very own master. No. P. Rajamni Singh, Dr. P. Rajamni. Animesh Barua.
May I now invite on stage our past district governor, like Animesh Barua, sir? No, okay. And I invite on stage our past district governor, Lion Dr. Praveen Agarwal, sir. Please be on stage, sir. Go.
Lion K.H.H. Ibotumbi, Conference Secretary, Lions Club of Imphal City, for his outstanding support.
Sitol.
Sitol Laitanthem, our very own master. Oza. Lion Y. Ranjit, Conference. Okay.
Sir, Praveen, sir. Past district governor.
Chairperson, Photo Exhibition Committee, Lions Club of Nagaon City.
And the
for
past district
outstanding
governor,
support.
Lion Dr. Praveen Agarwal. And please, Lion
Lion
Nita-
Y. Ranjit Singh, Conference Treasurer, Lions Club of Imphal Central.
Okay. And please ready, Lion, my friend,
Shantanu
dear friend,
Laiteko.
Lion Koshigan.
And next is our PDG, Professor W. Gopimohan Singh, Chairperson, Karma Yogi Award Committee, Lions Club of Imphal. Next will be Dr. N. Romi Singh, Chairperson, Medical Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Valley.
Professor Gopimohan. The past
Our past
district
district
governor,
governor.
Professor W. Gopimohan, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we have Dr. N. Romi, the district coordinator, GLT.
Next is Kosijin Laisangthem, member Photography and Videography Committee, and the man who is behind all the technical support.
We need a very big round of applause for my friend Kosigin.
Next will be M. Shambabu Singh, Chairperson, Local Parade Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Greater.
And also next, GL Parik, the member election committee, Lions Club within Sukia. GL Parik. And next, I would
Manas
love,
Maishnam for member Lions Club for Photo Exhibition Committee. Manas Maishnam of Lions Club of Imphal. Member Photo Exhibition Committee, Lions Manas Maishnam.
and I love to invite on stage a very gentle, the from Lions Club Imphal is Dr. M. Kunjabari Singh, sir. Please join on stage, sir.
Next will be N. Umakanta Singh, Co-Chairperson, Constitution and Bylaw Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Greater.
And the past district governor, Lions Sir H. Manikumar, sir. Please join on stage, sir. Please, sir.
Next is Nandini Thokchom, Member Necrology Committee.
And we have Lion Nita Agarwal, the Master of Ceremony of the ICON 2025. Please give a big round of applause for past District Governor Lion S. Manikumar Singh.
For his outstanding support. Nandini Thokchom, Member Necrology Committee, Lions Club of Imphal.
Next, please ready Lion L. Sanatombi, the Region Chairperson and also Chairperson of the Cultural Program Committee, Lion L. Sanatombi of Limaral.
Next will be Sapam Anand, Member Necrology and Souvenir Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Excellence. Sanatombi Lorembam, Chairperson, Cultural Program. Next is Sapam Anand, Member Necrology and Souvenir Committee.
So, can I have on stage Lion L. Joykumar Sharma, the co-chairperson of Parade Committee? Okay.
Also, Lion L. Joytombi Singh, Chairperson, Registration Committee, Imphal City. Lion C.H. Ratan Kishore Singh, Lions Club of Imphal Valley, for his outstanding support.
And next, can I have on stage a gentleman, a true gentleman, Lion Pavan Kumar Maheshwari from Lions Club of Dimapur. Please be on stage, sir. Please, sir.
Lion O. Dhanabir Singh, Chairperson, Catering Committee, Imphal City.
Lion Arun Thongam be reported.
And his overall
reported
support
here, please.
to the conference.
Lion Arun Thongam be reported here, please. Thank you.
Lion M. Gojendra Singh, Conference Chairperson.
Pavan. We have Lion Pavan from the Lions Club of Dimapur.
Presented to Lion M. Gojendra Singh, Conference Chairperson, for his outstanding support.
Past District Governor, big round of applause.
Dear friends, I am so happy that we had a beautiful 46th Annual District Conference. So far, I heard from the many of the participants, delegates, we had experienced an excellent conference. Time management was so excellent and so systematic. Dining hall was so systematic. Parade was so beautiful. And all the PDGs and everybody have participated and had given their best service to this annual district conference. And most importantly, the management, the planning done by our district conference chairperson has been marvelous. I am really happy to present this award to our district conference chairperson.
Next will be our PDG Saityabrata Barua, Chairperson, Banner Presentation Committee, Lions Club of Jorat, Disoy Valley. Our PDG Saityabrata Barua.
Now, after this, we have Thongam Bishwanath, the convener of the Catering Committee. Please be on stage, sir.
And then we'll have Vijay Kumar Agarwal, Chairperson, Constitution and Bylaw Committee, Lions Club of Tinsukia. Manglunia. Next is Lion BK Manglunia, Member Resolution Committee, Lions Club of Naugaon Greater.
The next, my younger brother, Bablu Thangjam, the convener Necrology Committee. Are you there?
Next we have BK Manglunia, Member Resolution Committee. BL, shouldn't BL.
BL Agarwal.
Next.
Dr. Konsam Surjit Singh, Member Medical Committee, Lions Club of Imphal Greater. Sanasam Loken Singh, Surgeon at Arms, Lions Club of Kanchipur.
Memyo Ningombi from Lions Club Lemerol.
Dr. N. Rajib Kumar, Member Photo Exhibition Committee, Lions Club of Wongjing.
Bablu Thangjam, are you there? Okay, please. Yeah, wait for a second. And Sir Y. Modu from Lions Club Morang is he here still now? Sir Modu later ko.
Bablu ki tapiro.
Bablu sila.
Bablu gila hai.
Lion L. Ibomcha Singh, Convener, Reception, Accommodation and Transport Committee.
Yes, Tamo.
L. Ibomcha Singh, Convener, Reception, Accommodation and Transport Committee.
Now, Dr. Lintoy Ningombam, Master of Ceremony, Lions Club of Imphal, Chanura, for the outstanding support.
So do we have in state? Okay, please.
I present another international person's fee for her.
Wow, what a moment. Please give a big round of applause for Dr. Lintoy. She is a true actor in stage. She is a true singer on stage. And she is a good performance as a master of ceremony. A good round of applause for the Dr. Lintoy. Now, let me invite on stage Dr. N. Rajiv Kumar, the member of Photo Exhibition Committee. Sir, are you here, sir?
Rajiv is not here.
Rajiv is not here, okay. The next, please. Sir, Sanasam Loken, sir, are you still here, sir, Kachipur? Okay. This is the final call. Sir, Roman Bodoloy, sir. Okay. Dr. M. Kunjabiari, sir. Okay. At last, the NC Kanani, sir. Okay. Now, we go with the
For outstanding support in organizing the icon, this award is being presented to Sankar Rawat, MJF, Vice District Governor to elect. Okay. Vice District Probable.
And this are the special recognitions given by the district governor for the outstanding support in the organizing the Icon 2025. Without their support, this could never be happen. So I would love to invite the three of them. The one is our Sankar Rao Dada is here. I invite my Vice District Governor two, and of course the Vice District Governor one in a very short from here, Dr. Nina Datta. Please be on stage, ma'am. And very soon, our District Governor going to be Lion Kumar Kothari, PMJF. Please. Ma'am, please join. Please give a big round of applause. This is going to be a district governor team of the 2025-26. We present Lion Lalit Kumar Kothari, Lion Dr. Nina Datta, and Lion Shankar Raut. One more photograph, please. Yes, the chairman should always be there. Okay. Now, with the permission of District Governor, let me read out all the members of the Lions receiving the District Governor Appreciation Medal. From Oinam, Thingbaijam Swaran Kumar, the President. Please be on stage. We'll,
In between, Ashok, just a minute. In between, may I invite Sumita Sharma to please come and collect one international president's pin from me. This is for the extension she has guided for the new club, sponsored by the Lions Club of Blue Venda.
please give a big round of applause for the Lions Sumita from Lions Club of Dimapur Blue Venda. This is for the District Governor Medal.
For sponsoring 5 members and above.
Okay, for sponsoring the 5 members and above. Thingbaijam Swaran Kumar, Anjali Chaudhary from Dimapur Blue Venda, please be on stage. We will be given as a group from Imphal Central. P. Sanjeev, please be on stage. From Imphal Excellence, my dear friend Anand Sapam. From Jorat Greater, we have Vikas Bordoloi. We have Rajiv Jain from Tezpur Greater. From Dibugarh, we have Raktim Gogoi. From Digboy, the oldest club of the district, we have Jadu Gogoi. From Imphal, my friend Oinam Ranjit. From Imphal Global, K. Dilip. And from Thaubal, Oinam Jugeshwar. Please be on stage, please. The district governor will be presenting in a group. Please be on stage.
Please come.
Okay, next. As per the service is concerned, I request to be on floor. Lion Dina Talk